Before you watch, I would love for you to enjoy this video with some headphones on. So go ahead and pause this, throw on some headphones. If you don't want to, can't force you. So either way, enjoy. Yeah, thanks for watching that little Super 8 video that I made last time I was over in Entebbe, Uganda. Uganda is truly called the Pearl of Africa for a reason. It is literally home to the most beautiful, kindest human beings on the face of the planet, like hands down. But yeah, every time I shoot Super 8 film, it seems like it takes a lifetime for the footage to come back developed from the lab, but every single time it is so freaking worth it. Super 8 just like seems so magical. It feels like a memory. Like what you saw in that video is exactly like what is in my head when I think about my past visit to Entebbe. I love it so much. I just wish it wasn't so expensive. If you enjoyed the simple music that was playing in the background of that, obviously from MusicBed. In other news, Uganda just went through another election in which their standing president Museveni has won for the 6th straight time. Because of the election, the Ugandan government decided that it was going to censor all of its citizens from social media during this time for like a lot of like BS reasons that I'm not going to get into. That being said, my buddy, filmmaker Odeki Dan, who lives in Entebbe, who you all know and love so much from previous videos on my channel that I'm sure many of you saw. Yeah, he started this channel, but he hasn't been able to post YouTube videos because of this social media ban that's in place by the government. It really stinks because he's growing and he really wants to make a go at the YouTube thing, and this is kind of prohibiting from doing that. But just letting you know on behalf of Dan that he is making videos and he will be back once his ban's lifted. Just didn't want anyone to think that he just like quit, because he definitely didn't. He's already at like 13,000 subscribers in under a month, which is just like absurd. I'm so happy that he's able to create like a sustainable platform for himself, and yeah, I'm just like so happy that he's enjoying it and that people are reciprocating that love back to him. Yeah, if you enjoyed the Super 8 look, I actually have some more Super 8 content in the works. Before I left for Maui, I shot a music video on Super 8 for my guy, Noah guy. I actually just got the footage back yesterday and it looks unbelievable. I'm so excited to share that with you once it's finished. Then I also just got another roll that I'm just gonna shoot some stuff out here on Maui with. So essentially I'm investing all of my life savings into Super 8 film. Yeah, if anyone's interested in learning how to shoot Super 8, let me know in the comments below. I'm not sure if it's me who's the only one in this community who's interested in shooting this, or if there's other people out there, or if I'm just doing this for myself and I'm the only one that likes the look of it. But yeah, let me know if I should share more about the Super 8 process with you. I'm actually super keen on trying to move up to 16mm film, but yeah, I haven't really found an affordable option. If there's anyone out there who owns a 16mm camera that they don't use and they want to send it to me, feel free to DM me at Danny Gevertz. Yeah, thanks as always for watching, and yeah, go out and create something you care about today, because why not? I love you.